We are starting our new phylum, that is about Arthropoda. Before discussing about the general characteristics of Arthropoda, we have to discuss some of the terms related with the Arthropoda phylum. And number one is segmented. Segmented means divided into parts. Divided into parts. Antennae, or you can just write antenna also. Antenna is the singular and antenna is the plural, and it is a filler. In simple term, you can tell that it is a filler, or you can define it as a appear of a long thin sense organ on the head of the insect. Okay, antenna is the sense organ of the arthropoda, sense organ of the arthropoda or many insects. Okay, especially insects, it acts as a sense organ. And thorax, thorax is the middle section of the body of an insect between head and abdomen. Middle section, it is a middle section of a body of an insect between head and abdomen. Head and abdomen. Or in Nepali, you can call head. You already know head. Thorax भनेको अब तपाईको छाती अनि abdomen भनेको पेट. Compound eyes. Compound eyes means eyes which has a wider view angle. Which has a wider view angle and ability to detect the fast movement. Eye which has a wider view angle, and ability to detect the fast movement. That type of eye is known as compound eyes. That type of eye is known as compound eye. Eye which has wider view angle, and ability to detect the fast movement. And you can see the different body parts of insect: head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay, now phylum Arthropoda. And Arthropoda is derived from the Greek word arthros. Arthros means jointed and pods means foot. So this phylum includes those animals which have jointed foods. And all the general characteristics of Arthropoda are: their body is segmented and divided into three parts. Segmented body and divided into three parts. That is head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen. They have jointed limbs. Jointed limbs means they have jointed legs. They have joints in their legs. Jointed limbs or jointed legs. Some arthropods, they have wings on their thorax. They have wings. Not all, but some of the arthropods have wings on their thorax. Their mouth parts are well developed. For chewing, piercing, and sucking. Chewing, and piercing means making hole. Piercing and sucking. Their mouth parts are well developed for chewing, piercing, and sucking. Their body is covered externally with the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton means outer protective covering of the arthropods or especially insects. They have hard outermost covering that is known as exoskeleton. Exo means outer, skeleton means a hard rigid cover which protect that arthropods or insect. We have endoskeleton, whereas they have exoskeleton, which protect them from the enemies or outer environment and protect their organs. They are unisexual. Unisexual means male and female reproductive organ are present in the separate body. Male and female are separate. Separate male and female reproductive organ. They have compound eyes. Compound eyes and antenna in their head. Compound eyes means which has those eyes which has the ability to detect the fast movement and has a wide view angle. Means that they can focus on a large area at the same time. Not like us, when we observe a thing, we are observing a particular thing only, but we cannot focus on our surrounding all things at a one time. But they have compound eyes. With the help of that, they can look on the wider view angle and they can detect the fast movement also. So when you are nearby to eat that house fly, it fly away because of the help of the compound eyes. And they have the antenna which help them to feel the change in the environment. Most of them complete their life cycle in 4 stages. Most of the arthropods, they complete the life cycle in 4 stages. That is egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Example: crab, grasshopper, ant, centipede, scorpion, spider, housefly, etc. All they are come under the phylum Arthropoda. All insects are in the phylum Arthropoda. And Arthropoda is the largest phylum. Largest phylum. Okay, and housefly, mosquito, crab, centipede, millipede, they all are Arthropoda. They all are example of Arthropoda. And one most common thing in all is that they have jointed legs. They have jointed legs. You can see here they have jointed legs. Jointed legs. They have joints. Okay, they have joints. And they are found in varieties of places. Some are found in the oceans also, and some are found in the land. Some can fly also. Insect have six legs, whereas that centipede, millipede, they have many legs. Crabs have more than 4 or 5 pairs of legs, and that arachnids like spider, scorpion, they have four pairs of legs. You can see here they have jointed legs. Main feature of this phylum is they have jointed legs. Jointed legs. They are joints. Okay, joints. Jointed legs. And here in case of that spider, their head and thorax are joined, so we call them as a cephalothorax. Cephalothorax, and last portion is known as abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax, and abdomen, and some of them consist of wings also in their thorax. And they have joints leg. Main feature is they have joints leg. Okay, you can see here. Here also joint. Okay, in this one it was joint, and here also it is jointed leg. And they have compound eyes. Compound eyes. Okay? Compound eyes. And as we already discussed in the features of that arthropoda, most of them complete the life cycle in 4 stages. That is egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Most of them complete in this 4 stages. Whereas some like cockroach, they complete in the 3 stages, like egg, nymph, and adult. In the nymph stage, it is just the small version of the adult. Okay, small version of the adult. And they continuously do molting so that their size increases. Okay, here also grasshopper doing that molting. This is antenna. They have compound eyes. And in case of scorpion, scorpion is also that arthropoda, but it give direct birth to the babies, and their babies are a small version of themselves. Small version of themselves. Whereas in case of that butterfly, you can see they are total. Their young stage. Young stage is totally different. They look like a worm in a young stage. Whereas when they become adult, they are totally different than that. In case of mosquito also, you can see they be larva and they become adult. And larva stage is totally different than that of the adult. This is known as metamorphosis. Totally different change. From that young stage, they are totally changed. So that is known as metamorphosis. And this shading of their outermost covering, that is known as molting. Changing their outermost cover due to the increase in their body size to increase their body size. Okay, here also you can see spider. They also have jointed legs. Here bees, yes, housefly. You can see here. Some of them have wings. Okay, some arthropoda have wings. Already we know that. And main point is they have jointed leg. You can see they have jointed leg, and you can see they have compound eyes. This is known as compound eyes. Compound eyes. Okay, compound eyes. Compound eyes. Compound eyes, which have the wider view angle, and they can detect the very fast movement. Okay, cockroach, you can see cockroach has antenna also, and it has jointed legs. Millipede, centipede, they also have jointed legs. They have more number of legs. Okay, and many pairs of legs. This is scorpion. Scorpion also have jointed legs, segmented body. And in this phylum, that male and female are separate. Male and female are separate. They do sexual reproduction.